So now we are going to demonstrate the hot air oven for you. So as the name suggests, hot air oven operates by heating air to a higher temperature and sterilizing items by keeping that temperature for a certain time period. So what you see here is the hot air oven that we use in our laboratory, and here in the top you can see there are a lot of knobs and panels where we can control and measure. So in the indicator you can see we have set the temperature to 180 degrees centigrade, and there are knobs where we can set the temperature and also the time, and we can switch it on and off with the power button. So now we'll look at the inside of the hot air oven, and our technical officer Mr. Dharmasiri will help us look through. So inside the hot air oven we have still not heated this up, so we can open it without any danger, and so we have arranged the plates in a certain order in the racks so that it is providing enough room for hot air to flow through. So there should be a well ventilated area so that the hot air will flow through without any obstructions. So you can see in the top there are plates arranged in a way so that hot air can flow, and also we have a canister here that we are going to load up to the hot air oven now.